Just eat these two things to cleanse your blood, to detox your system, and never fall sick. This is very, very important for everyone. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So on this channel, I share beauty tips and also health tips. For those that are new here, you are so welcome. In case you have been watching, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. So I will show you two things to eat. When you eat these two things or make a drink with it, it will make you stay away from sickness. It will boost your immune system. It will also make your skin to glow from the inside. Consider subscribing if you love health tips. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So the ingredients are so natural, very safe, without any side effects. All you have to do is just to follow the instructions, prepare it, make a drink with it, or eat it like I said earlier. You see how your skin will improve greatly. It prevents so many illnesses that makes you always visit the hospital. After this, you will only visit the hospital. So what we have here is garlic. Yes, here is garlic clove, and in this big bunch of clove we have different segments of garlic. So garlic is a powerful antioxidant, a very good one that helps greatly to boost immunity, cleanse your blood. When your blood is cleansed, you will hardly fall sick. It gets rid of so many problems like fat in the blood, clogged arteries, anything related with stroke. It prevents stroke, it prevents cancer, it prevents so many illnesses. What I love most about this is that it prevents you from having flus like catarrh, cough, and all that. So continually, when you take this, you will see how your health will improve greatly. You can make a drink with this. You can also chew it if you are the type that love raw garlic. Another thing I love about garlic is that it helps greatly to fight infection. It possesses antiseptic and antibacterial properties that helps to flush away infections from the blood, from your system, cleanse the liver, cleanse the kidney, and make you stay healthy. Not only that, it helps also to keep you in shape, like preventing unnecessary fat, stomach bloating, and all that. You just stay healthy and live longer. So get garlic, and also you have to get this wonderful ingredient here in nature. So here is lemon. You can make use of any lemon you can come across as long as it's lemon. Not the one in the bottle, please. Not lemon juice in the bottle sold in the supermarket. Get the one like this, the fruit, so that you make it yourself, squeeze it out yourself. You know, you'll be sure that it's 100% lemon juice. So lemon is also a very powerful antioxidant that helps to boost immune system. It prevents you from falling sick by cleansing your blood. It makes sure that you hardly fall sick by getting rid of some infections and all that. Lemon contains citric acid, very nice for you to clean your blood, clean your skin. It will glow from the inside out. It brightens the skin. Not only lemon. If you want to use it to improve your skin health, use any citrus fruit like orange, grapefruit, any one. Another thing I love about lemon, which I don't joke with, I use it to wash my weight. Like, I don't like unnecessary fats. Like, it's something like it's a turn off. So if you are the type that your weight is increasing and increasing, if you take this remedy, you will see that you will not add weight. It suppresses your appetite, stop you from eating excessively all through the day, and thereby reducing your weight gradually. You'll be noticing your weight reducing until you balance. So just get lemon, add it with garlic. I'll tell you how to prepare it so that it get perfect results. So one thing you should have in mind is before you start taking this, please consult your doctor in case you have any other health related diseases that you will not need to take lemon. If you have ulcer, please do not take lemon juice. Anything with lemon, do not take it. If you are pregnant or trying to conceive, do not take lemon. Some people have a very weak uterus, or in fact it's not advisable during pregnancy or before pregnancy if you are trying to conceive. So another thing is, do not use this as a substitute to cure any sickness. This is just like a prevention. It stops you from getting sick all the time. There are some people that every time they always visit the hospital. So taking this remedy will prevent sickness. But in case you're already sick, please try to visit the hospital first. Check yourself, carry out some tests to check properly medically if it can be treated with this or not. Okay, so this is just a prevention like I said earlier. This is a very powerful cleanse that cleans the blood from the inside, and the result will show from the skin that you are healthy. Your skin will glow, your skin will look healthy, and that shows that all the organs in your body are healthy. So if you want your skincare products like the one you get out there to work better, you have to detox yourself from the inside. By using this remedy, it will help you greatly. So how to prepare this is to get garlic, clove. Maybe you just bring out about 2 or 3, then peel it, remove the peel, wash it thoroughly, then you have to blend it with water. After blending it, strain it out, transfer into a glass cup. These 2 or 3 garlic cloves is just for 1 glass cup, okay? We're making for 1 glass. You want to make more than 1 glass or 2 glasses, you have to increase the quantity of this garlic clove. So after that, you have to squeeze in about 3 tablespoons or 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into that glass cup. So just make it a full glass cup. All right. So after that, you have to drink it only once a day. Do not take it more than once. You can also give a gap, like if you take it today, take it tomorrow. You can take it twice weekly. This will prevent you from falling sick all the time. You will hardly visit the clinic. So another way to prepare this is to boil it. Cut your lemon into 2. Wash it thoroughly, of course. Transfer it into your cooking pot. Then you have to get about 2 or 3 garlic cloves. Transfer it also into your cooking pot. Add some water, about 2 glasses, because during boiling there will be some water loss. It's going to evaporate. So just add it, boil it for about 10 to 15 minutes. When you see that it's boiling, you bring it down, strain it out, then you transfer into your glass when it has cooled a little. You can use honey to test, like adding a little quantity of honey, 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of honey, depending. But I love the taste like that. I don't usually use honey. Honey is also a powerful cleansing ingredient that helps to clean your blood, take care of your system. It detox as well. Another good thing is that it's a sweetener. So adding it into this drink will boost the effect as well. So go on and make a powerful drink that will prevent you from falling sick all the time. It prevents sickness, diseases, and also cure infections. There are so many infections, both the one that is showing on your skin, eczema, ringworm, any kind of infection, both you're down there if you're a lady, it prevents it. It makes your lady parts, to stay healthy. All right. So thank you so much for watching. Follow the instructions and also take this drink the way I stated, and you stay healthy and live longer. Remember to share this video to everyone because it will help a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.